traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, July 30th, and I'm going to be analyzing the S&P 500 or the SPX 500 starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on the monthly, I'm definitely still looking at this as a 1, 2, 3, and I'm still not really convinced that the wave 3 is over. I still think it needs to go up more to get closer to that 161% Fibonacci extension of wave 1 projected out the bottom of wave 2. Then we're probably going to make a wave 4, and then we will probably go up for a wave 5 to finish off the trend that started way back here. So let's take it down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, yeah, we definitely do have a pretty strong move down that's lasted a couple weeks now, but I personally think this is all a wave 3. I think this is all just subdivisions of that wave 3. I think this move down is nothing more than a correction to the last move up, and I think it is very likely going to make some sort of a three-way pattern and end up continuing back up. Still all subdivisions of that wave 3. Taking it down to the daily time frame, ever since we had a breaker touch on the daily a couple weeks ago now, I would have been doing nothing on shorter time frames except for looking for shorts in a downtrend. I think it looks like a 1, 2, 3, 4, and we're probably in a wave 5 of wave A right now. I think that this is likely after the wave A is to be complete, which I don't think it is. It will go up for a B, then probably down for a wave C. I would expect it to go down to at least a 50 or to 61%. We do have a nice rally-based rally right here at a nice area of support. So I think the 50-61% is the most likely area for this to end the correction and most likely continue back up. So keeping all that in mind, let's take it down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, I'm pretty confident we're in a wave 5 right now, and a wave 5 is usually the final wave of a trend. So we probably are going to go down at least near or to or beyond these lows right here for wave 5. Then we will probably turn back up after that. We have interest rate FOMC tomorrow for the US, and that is definitely going to affect the US markets. I would think that this is going to go up next to make an ABC, which is most likely an ABC of wave B, just like what I was showing on the higher time frames. So keeping all that in mind, let's take it down to the 1 hour time frame. Now, I would want to be short right now, and if you've been watching my videos recently, then you probably are short right now, because yesterday I said that I'm looking for a Fibonacci bounce and a Gulf move to go short. So if you have been watching my videos and following along, you're probably already short right now. I think this is likely to go down someplace around this area for a wave 5. This is a wave 3. This is a wave 4. I think we're probably setting ourselves up for tomorrow's interest rate news, which I think at that point it probably will go up. It probably will break structure, ending this wave A on the much higher time frames, and probably starting an ABC of wave B, just like what I was drawing out on the higher time frames. So don't forget to join my free Discord group. It's linked down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.